When my daughter was only 3 months old, we flew from Idaho to Alabama. I convinced my husband to fly with me because I was terrified to fly with our 3-month-old baby by myself. She had colic and she screamed all day and all night, even when we weren't on a flight. We both had nightmares the night before and didn't know how we were going to make it. Our baby cried all day and all night, like I said, but we made it to Alabama and the flight wasn't near as bad as we thought it was going to be. After researching weeks and talking to the most qualified veteran moms, I have come up with the survival guide for flying with a new baby. If I can make it on a 3.5 hour flight with a colicky baby, I believe anyone can make it. Most things aren't as bad as you think, and that was definitely my case in this situation. Just remember, pack light, bring a baby carrier, and relax. Here's to hoping for a miracle, that your baby sleeps the entire flight like mine did, but if not, I hope this list helps you get through your flight. And if for some reason all else fails, bring earplugs for the rest of the passengers on the flight.